Hey there, engineering fans! Today we're taking a look at railway bridge installation and the hydraulic equipment that makes it happen. From tight spaces to overhead power lines, every project has its challenges, and hydraulic equipment can provide some of the solutions. Bridge installation requires careful planning, and with accelerated bridge construction methods, rail and road closures can be minimized and costs reduced. So how does hydraulic equipment help to tackle these challenges? It depends on the project. A common method is using hydraulic jack-up systems on self-propelled modular transporters to lift and move bridge decks. This is especially useful when working under power lines. If lifting from above is an option, hydraulic gantries provide controlled vertical lifting and horizontal movement. Synchronous hoists attach below the crane hook for precise movement and even weight distribution. Strand jacks offer high-capacity lifting in tight spaces. And for projects requiring components to be slid into place, skidding systems use powerful hydraulics and low-friction pads to move bridge decks smoothly. For long spans, bridge launching systems push or slide pre-assembled segments into place using hydraulic cylinders, rollers, or sliding bearings. And when bolted connections are needed, hydraulic torque wrenches ensure precise, consistent force. So to summarize, hydraulic equipment makes railway bridge installation safer, faster, and more efficient. So whatever the challenge, chances are there's a hydraulic solution to get the job done. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.